Hello, welcome to today's stream. Just getting things set up. Just give me a moment. All right, let me go ahead and switch over to my screen. Oh wait, hold on. I forgot, I need to make sure I don't have anything. There's nothing yet, but let me remove some stuff first. Apologies. But yeah, today it's just documentation. I don't really have anything truly planned other than that. So if you've been watching the development of YTT Gen, that's not happening today. Only weekends, maybe in the evenings, every now and again. All right, almost done. Just give me a moment. Just gotta make sure there's nothing confidential on my screen. All right, looks like, oh wait, no, there's another window of stuff. All right, I think everything else is good. So let me go ahead and share my screen again. I also I don't know, I may do some other like advocacy stuff today. We'll see. Anyways, let's kind of get a workflow started. I got some documentation here. Let's get Slack up, not Sketch. All right. See if any of my questions were answered. Yes or no? Of course not. All right. Let's see. So one thing that I need to do today is I have in docs that are for Unity. I need to remove these docs. So you see here that we have like these SDK methods. This needs to go away, mainly because there is now a page called SDK methods. So we don't need this anymore. So I need to just look through here and see if there are any events that I need to document. So we'll move this to over here. In fact, I'm gonna do one better. I'm closing everything. This is confusing me now. Yeah, we'll just close everything, screw it. And I just realized audio failed. That. I also just realized I closed something that I cared about. I think I opened it yesterday. It was recently closed, so it should be here. Uh-oh. This isn't good. I would expect it to be here because I just closed it. All right, well then, dang it. So whatever, back to closing stuff. This window to here. All right. All right, so the second piece is I also need to go, and the reason why this is hard is because none of these are in the navigation. So I have to come here and change the state that I'm looking at just to see other stuff. So I had to come to this page so that I could then click this so I can move it over here. Because I can't just come into this menu here. It's not published. Now you may be wondering, why am I doing this? The reason is we're changing our API to the SDK, and I need to see if any of these things are incorrect. So no. So we have adding a phone number. I think that's the set right here. This could be something that I should put. Oh no, I have that. Yeah, if you have a backend server, yeah. All right, we have a log out, which I'm going to assume is the same as removing a phone number. What? Did I just have, wait, hold on, give me a second. I gotta. I just got an email or a notification. I don't know. Did I get hacked? Or am I getting an email for someone else's account? So this is weird. I just got an email saying that my account balance just went below 0. Now, let's just say that's weird for me. So I just checked, and my account balance is definitely not below 0. In fact, it's far from that. So I'm now worried that I'm getting someone else's account information, because the account number is different from mine. This is not good. Wells Fargo is sending me information about someone else's account, unless this is an account that I don't know that I have. Which in that case, I guess I don't care if it's below 0. Anyway, I'll come back here. Sorry, I was just looking at my phone. So I think this whole page can go away. I don't even think I need to do anything. Other than figure out what the Unity SDK is going to be. Let's see. What I'm doing now is looking at our Unity SDK to see, well, one was the last update released, and what was that? Let's see, user model. Yep, here we are, 5.0 beta 1. So I'll just come back to here and go to that branch. Or tag rather. Oh, and there's a beta 2, so we'll go there. Let's see if there's a migration guide. Yes. Migration guide, V3 to V5, V2 to V3. Okay, V3. Oh, look at that. Perfect. So we get the code examples, which means I don't have to think as much, at least. Let's see if there's an SMS in here anywhere. Yeah, there is. Add SMS, remove SMS. Cool. So here's what's about to happen. This page is going away. I don't need it anymore. But before I delete it, I want to make sure that I have everything for real before I remove it. So we have this add subscription observer, listening for subscription changes. I think that's what this is. Let's see, OS subscription observer. Oh, I can't even talk. Wait a minute. Why are we showing Java for Unity? In any case, there's nothing here that I need, so I'm going to go ahead and delete that page. This is Unity update MS SDK methods. Although it's not clear which update this is referring to. I'm not going to delete the page yet. I'm going to keep it there because I'm not sure if I should delete it yet. For now, I'll just move forward with this. We'll set the language. We'll rename this to Unity. This is adding a new SMS, and we have that right here. It's on the OneSignal default.user. That looks kind of familiar. OneSignal the default. I can't talk. OneSignal.default.user. Okay, it's similar but different. All right, so wait. Okay, yeah, here we are. We're gonna do add number. I think that's what this is called. Or add SMS. C#, so we have to use semicolons. Oh, and I forgot, in C#, it's convention to do Pascal case. Does it return a task? No, it doesn't. It's just a void. Okay, only these return tasks. Okay, all right. So the API is easier. There's no more of this if success stuff. All right, so make sure to end that with a new line. And let's add the next version, which is removing a number. This will be called Unity again. And I'm going to assume that most of this can be reused. Remove user or SMS. Oh, and this should probably have a number. Number E265. Is that it? I forgot the validation or the format. E.265 phone number. I think this is it. Oh, 164. Okay. I wasn't even close. I wasn't even close. So this is going to be a E164 formatted number. All right, I'm just copying whatever this number is. All right, so we'll just put that in here. Why am I yelling? Why is it yelling at people? Well, I'm gonna call it a function. how does removing a number work? Okay, it's just a string as well. Oh, forgot to end with a semicolon. And what I'm going to do is just copy this number instead of defining a variable. And the idea is that up here, like, I don't know, it's just to kind of drive home the fact that like it's a number that already exists. Hopefully this isn't confusing. I'm going to rename this to phone number, just to make it a little bit shorter. And the reason why I think I can do that is because I have this little comment blurb right there. All right, so I think this is right. Remove SMS. Yeah. All right. All right, next up, we have listening to subscription changes. We have a few things here. I'm not sure if I'll be right back. Sorry about that. Had to go outside for a quick second. But one of the things that I was confused by is, did I update this? And I don't think I did. And here's why. It's not ordered. This is gonna sound weird, but I can tell if I've done things. I don't know, it's probably not something good to admit publicly, but I have this weird thing where it's like shit has to be in a certain order. And this isn't in that order, so I know that I didn't do it. It's hard for me to just leave stuff and not fix it if it looks bad. I'm not saying this looks bad, but hopefully you understand what I'm trying to say. So we don't have Kotlin, but we do have Unity. But I don't think any of this is right. Listening for subscription changes. Okay, I didn't even write this, now that I look at it. Mainly because this isn't how you use IE. I know I wouldn't do that. Okay, I need to find this wherever that is. Wait, no, this isn't OneSignal. Maybe iOS. Excuse me. Excuse me. All right, so here are some of the things. Let's see if there's any like event handler things. All right, so we have adding an observer for push this namespace, but I need it for another namespace. Push subscription observer. Okay, we have permission observer. That's not what I want. I don't even see the SMS namespace. Is that under notification? Okay, that's under the user namespace. So I would expect there to be some type of user, like, I don't know. Yeah, maybe we don't have that anymore. Let me before I just go on with that conclusion. Let's check Android. Dang, you can't switch tags yet. Or maybe it's a reference. Maybe they used their correct name. Nope. Damn it. Man, alright, GitHub. It would be so nice if I can use the command palette to do anything. Like, even do git stuff. I don't want to have to come here and select tags. That's just silly. All right, so I'm looking for the same thing. So SMS first. And we're going to see if there's any like observer or handler type thing. Types. I'm looking for types. That's really what I'm after. I don't see anything. All right, so then it may be the case that listening for subscription changes, that may not be a thing anymore. And if that's the case, I can delete all of this. I'm done. My life is a lot easier. I don't want to delete it because if I do, my life becomes harder if I have to redo it. But I'm going to just trust myself on this one. And save. All right, now I'm not going to delete the Unity thing. It was already deleted. What I am going to do though is make sure that inside of the Unity thing, I copy over the other functions that I need. What I mean by that, let's come to here. And at the bottom, there's this stuff right here. So let's just copy it. right, so we have email. We're just going to take them to email. SMS, same thing. Live activities, same thing. Data tags, same thing. Let me find the data tag section. Bro, the fact that I'm like, this is the first time in like a week I've actually seen you not post at the very beginning. I actually thought that you were a script bot, like real talk. I was like, he must have had like a script that just listens, and as soon as I go live, it's like, you know, first. But now you're still the first one, so. How are you? I'm just gonna assume you're fine, or I'm gonna say I hope you're doing well. Some of these notes could be useful to keep. So I don't need this anymore because we're getting rid of, like, this is the old model. Now this, no network latency functions may take this cause make sure you keep. Okay, all right, so maybe this is worth keeping. Just this note here. Yeah, probably. Oops. No wonder. I was like, why is it so loud? Here we are. There we go. It's on the SMS, so let's put that in here. Actually, I don't think this is relevant anymore, actually, now that I think about it. Yeah, that's not relevant anymore. Yeah, actually, maybe I can go ahead and delete this. Because these warnings don't matter anymore. They're irrelevant because of the new model. And these subscription changes may also be irrelevant due to the new model. I'm gonna go ahead and delete it. Pretty sure I can delete this too. I'm not gonna do it just yet. Let's move to email SDK and let's see what they're called. I think I know what they're called. It's just add email, remove email. But I wanted to see if it returned a a task in C#land, task or not. And this is a good opportunity to make sure that I'm ending these in a new line. Oh shit, you gotta do it on every one. Okay, well, it's good that I'm doing it now. I noticed that I had a error or a bug or whatever you want to call it. All right, let's add a new language for C#. This is going to be Unity. And I'm pretty sure it's the OneSignal something default user something. It's in my clipboard. Just confirming. Yeah, I'm right. So we're going to do add email. Joe@example.com. And remove email should be the same. Oops. All right, I think that looks good. It's this header title. I need to write. I don't like this. Oh yeah, that's a refinement to make. Can't spell for shit today. Or is that type? Yeah, I guess type. I can spell. I just can't type. Yeah, this is another time. I'm punting on that, but I can delete the Unity email stuff. I'm saying that like slowly because I don't know if that's true. Let me actually read this to see. Okay, we don't care anymore. This doesn't, or it shouldn't matter anymore. This should be obvious now. Yeah, okay. I think I'm right. I can delete this. Don't need it anymore. Oh, actually, I do know what I need to do. I need to mirror. Come on now, work with me. I need to mirror the organization, the structure on the Unity side. This may be silly, but yeah, I don't know. Where are we at? Data tags, outcomes, and that messages. Subscription. Email. Wait, I already have email. Never mind. Where should data tags go above outcomes? Okay. Technically, I should probably do this in between each section. All right, I think we're good. Okay. Here's the thing. It would be silly to copy all of this, right? Like there's a lot of work done here. So what I'm instead going to do is just link to each section. Right, so in the setup, it'll just be C setup in mobile SDK. I don't know, something like that. Now here's the question. How do I refer to a section in README? How do you do that? This is going to be the first time I consult README's docs. Okay, use a octathorpe. Oh wait, but where is it? Oh, it's in the link itself. Okay. So this is going to be what? Setup. Okay. Easy enough. guess that's good enough. Maybe I can do a little bit of that. Maybe, I don't know. We'll do the other one. All right, so refer to setup in whatever that page is. Wait a minute, this is wrong. There should be a new line, or maybe it is here. Let's see. Maybe it is here. Okay. Yeah, that's why. Okay. Yeah, so if you don't put that new line, that scroll, the thumb, it will occlude the code snippet. All right. We can close that and maybe this too. All right, let's see how we're looking. Refer to the setup section in the native reference. I don't like how that looks. I think that's good. The reason why I was putting effort into getting that right is because I'm just gonna do what I'm doing here and copy and paste. So if I get the first one right, then we're all good. It'll make sense in a second, hopefully. So now this is just going to be whatever that is. So I'll just copy paste. Oops. All right, we're getting a little better, except for this review. What is that? The hell? What's up with that? Why is that being formatted stupidly? Anyway, I will I have no idea. Like, what's going on? Sure, I'll take it. So the idea is for the things that are different, they will be here. As of now, maybe nothing's different. I don't know. If nothing's different, they'll just go to the section that's relevant to them. So I know all of these except for what happens if there's a space. All right, so we just put a hyphen. All right, I needed to know this. So what I'm gonna do is, I guess I'll type it like a, no, I'm not. I immediately gave up on that. That's too much effort. And this one, not that much. But this one, yes, too much. Notifications. I'm pretty sure I can keep this capital, but again, there's, I don't know, I can't do it. Some in me. Wait, data tags. Why do I have data tags twice? I think data tags comes before outcomes. To also copy that. Data tag. I think it's data tags SDK API or methods. Like that word. I would prefer to use API. In-app messages. In-app messages. I think that would do it. All right, we should be good. Debug. All right, so debugging is going to be very different. I don't know what's going to be there yet. Someone who knows Unity better than me will have to help. So let's do a quick link check. Okay. User, privacy, location, language, notifications, outcomes, in-app messages, push subscription. Okay. And let's make sure that this goes, yeah. And now messages. Let's move on to that. So I want to delete this. And I already have this for in-app messages. So I just got to figure out how do you do all of these things. C# is, this is line, this is a lie. This is, all of this is a lie. This is old. I just copied it over. All right, so let's take a look. I see. There's two things. This document may take a little bit longer than I expected. So what I'm going to do for now is just get the functions, like just add it like into here. I can at least do that. That's easy. What is this? Add trigger. Perfect. It's just a regular function. No task returned. What key have I been using? Just key. Okay. Key and value. Whoa, wait a minute. Why is the value an object? I get to get a link to here and ask the question, why is it what it is? What is this function signature? Add trigger, string. Oh, wait, what is this? Is that the key? Okay, yeah. So key. Key and object. Which I think object is capital in C# land. Object value. So I just had to get a message out. Also, let me do a quick check on LinkedIn. I don't get any. Yeah, let's just say I don't know what happens there. It's probably nothing, but just gotta be sure. Yeah, it's nothing. Oh wow, code and colors being searched. Just curious. Wait, why did it take me to here and not to here? And look at this advertising. I wonder if he knows that this is here. Oh, cool. It's we went to school together a long time ago. All right. So I'm going to just go with this for now, because to create a new object, yeah, that's silly. I'm not going to do that. Now we need to do several triggers at once. This triggers wait, what is this? Trigger? Yeah, triggers. Takes a dictionary. Okay. Var triggers is equal to a new dictionary. What type to the string? Why is the string the object? I'm going to make it string to string. In fact, I am not familiar with C# types anymore. Is it string or is it lowercase string? Do I even have these docs? Where's .NET? There's the framework. See if C# is in here. Huh, all right, well. String.net. Is it string or lowercase string? Why is this so hard to find out? Here's the easy way. I can go to this toString and it says type string. All right, there we are. That's the type. This is capital string. So then this needs to be capital string. Like that, and we can do I forget how you say it, like one of those, like we can initialize it somehow. Forgot what you call it in C#. Let's see, C# collection initialization inline feature. Oh, is it a collection initializer, maybe? Let's see. Yeah, it's a collection initializer. And I was doing it wrong, so I'm glad I looked. So for a collection initializer, instead of regular parentheses, use one of these things here. And then because this is a tuple, I can like specify it like this. Well, I should be able to do this, but I can't because I'm gonna do it this way. So we're gonna do not a tuple, we're gonna do an object or struct, whatever you want to call it. And we're gonna do key, oops, no, wait, key, oh wait, 01, like that, yeah. And then the value. Think like that. And we'll do some formatting. And all the other ones, it's been 3, so we'll do the same. And I'm gonna have to confirm this. Let's see. What's the name of this? Parallels. There's a piece of software that I used to use. I still have a license for. Hopefully it still works. That allows me to do kind of like, I don't know, like a, what the hell is going on with my music? Let's postpone this. I may have to log into an older VM if I can't easily find what I'm looking for. Link pad. Oh yeah, it's 7. Yeah, I definitely don't have a license for 7. I think I had 5 or 4. Seriously, is it just like, what the hell? Oh, there's a 5. All right, perfect. I think that's the one that I have. Hope. Maybe it's 4 though. We'll find out right now. Oh. Yep, perfect. I do have it. Let me take that off. I wonder what LinkPad 7 is like. What is it? How is it better? I used to use this a lot back in my C# and F# days. Haven't used it in, oh gosh, half a decade, probably. If I can remember how you use it. All right, so we're gonna define my dictionary. And you know what? I'm not gonna freaking type this out again. We'll just copy, like so. All right, and then we'll do console for each. How do you do a for each loop? For each.net. This is for the task parallel library. We don't care about that. Wow, it's just not gonna. I forget if it's like this. Like, I forget how you do it for each loop, but maybe I can. Man, my Mac keyboard shortcuts don't work here. How do you do that? Okay, home. Shift home did that. So I should get what do you call that word? IntelliSense, but it's not giving it to me. So I'm going to put in my code register, which I have no idea how to do. I don't even know how to get the preferences. Command comma doesn't work here. Edit, okay, like that's a weird place to put preferences. Of course we're doing dark mode. No, we don't need to do that. This isn't showing me how to like register. Is that under help? Oh wait, no, this is Windows. Upgrade, there we are. Your activation code. Okay. Okay, let me move this off screen. Activate. Oh wow, that noise. I don't know what that's about. All right. There we are. So is there like a each? 4? Is there not a loop? How do I loop a, man, you know what, fuck it. I'm gonna just look at the docs. C# for each. I forgot how it looks. All right, okay, there we are. So we'll just say for each var trigger. Is it in? Is that the word? Yeah, it looks like it's probably it. Triggers. And then we can just print out the, that's not the right line. We could print out the trigger. I forgot how you do string interpolation. Oh, yeah, I forgot. We could do C style stuff. This is great. Yes, I don't even have to do interpolation. We just do that. So we'll do key value one, and I should be able to do trigger. And we'll call it T. I don't want to have to type trigger. T dot key and T value. All right, let's run this. Let's see what happens. Does it do what I think? This is a long way to see, did I just do something correctly? An item has, with the key has already been, oh my bad. This is me being stupid. 3, 2. Yep, look at that, so we're good. So it looks like this is right, except maybe I should just do that. All right, next piece is to do this part right here. Except now we're gonna put an S and then we're gonna pass in our collection of triggers. Wait, triggers. Hold on, I just did the wrong thing. Okay, never mind, we're good. It's not even 10 o'clock yet. So to remove a trigger, I imagine, just imagine in here that we're going to remove the key. I just lost my place where, oh, here we are. This is where I'm at. Okay, so remove trigger. And this is going to be key. Okay, gonna do this. I think this takes a set or a list. It should be a set. Yeah, it's an array, but I would make that a set, to be honest. I'm not gonna do it here because types. I don't know if you can pass a set to a function that takes an array. Although I could, I have link pad now, I can go and check, but I don't want to. We got remove trigger, we're good there. Removing multiple triggers, remove triggers. So we'll define our triggers up here. So var triggers. And I'm using var because type inference, right? Like I say the type here, I don't need to do it here. Now, if I didn't know the type or if it wasn't clear, I would actually explicitly call it out here. Okay, so let's create a new array. Of strings, okay. I think this is how you create an array. I don't remember. Let's see. I could consult the docs, but in the spirit of a true developer, I'm gonna just figure it out. Just waste my time and figure it out. Let's see. We're gonna do that line right there. Var t equal new string. What the hell? String like that. All right. And I should be able to put some things in here. So we'll put 1, 2, and 3. And let's just print out. We'll say number of items. Is whatever that. Ooh, oh, wait. Keyboard shortcuts are different here. I don't like that. What just happened? What's that? Oh my gosh. Is this? Oh, it's that. How do I close this? All right. And we'll put in the length like that. And let's run that number. Yeah, so that works. So that's how I can do it. So we're gonna do key 1 through whatever this is. So I'll just copy. Well, no, I'm not gonna copy that. That's wrong. I am gonna copy it. I lied. Just that part. And we're gonna do key 01. Savage. All right, so we got our triggers, trigger keys. How about that? Or what did I call it before? Nothing. Okay. Now, I could also new up an array here, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Go and try it. Yeah, so let's see if that will work. Yeah, same thing. All right, yeah, so technically, I don't need this. I'll delete it. And we could do the same thing here, but for this dictionary, I'm gonna keep it as is. Like, yeah, I'm gonna do what I'm doing. Never mind. The other ones don't, so I want to be consistent. Where is the stuff? All right. Oh, it's just clear all. Whoa. Oh, this is iOS. I was like, why is it named differently from the rest of the SDK? It's named differently here too. Oh, this is Android. No one. Okay. All right. Let's just close that. It's gonna confuse me. Clear. Oh, wait. See, yeah, it's named something different. Clear all. Yeah, it's called clear triggers from here. Oh, no, no, that's the new one. Okay, all right, we're good. That's what it's called. We'll take that, put it here, and we'll do clear triggers. That's easy. This is confusing for now. The good thing about this is that now all of the issue is localized to here. So let's kind of move forward with the rest of the stuff. Like, I don't need to worry about this yet. I can figure that out later. So I should be able to delete this right here. Not right now. Ooh, I need this. Look at this page. I think this is going to get deleted. Yeah. This is the one that's going to get deleted. The reason, oh, wait a minute. Oh, there's, dang it. User program. Well, this does have more information, but none of it applies anymore, or most of it doesn't apply anymore. All right, anyway, I'm gonna take a break. I'll be back. think that I can do the same thing that I'm doing here. Not there, I'm sorry. That I'm doing here. And if there's anything that's different about debugging, that would be listed here. But anything that's the same with just being mobile. And the reason I'm saying that now is that this is the same thing for all the other mobile platforms. Oh, this is a good example. I don't know if you saw that, the thumb, it occludes the text if you don't put a new line. That's why I'm doing what I'm doing. Oh, make sure, yep, there's, all right. Why does this say Kotlin? All right, I need to figure out why my system audio causes these weird glitches in my audio. I'm gonna do some audio editing really quickly because it keeps going in and out and it's annoying me. I'm gonna try something, so just bear with me. I'm gonna mute my stream for now. All right, I'm hoping that this avoids any issues in the future. Yeah, now you hear my system audio. Okay, fine. Oh, it's, I heard it glitch out again. Let's make sure these devices are all at 48 and one of them didn't accidentally go to 44. It does happen. Gotta look at both inputs, outputs. All right, at least we're stable in this regard. All right, cool. Let's see how stable this is. Hopefully, I'll have to deal with it again. Sorry, y'all don't see what's going on. I'm trying to open up a new monitor so that I can do some code search. But I wanted to keep this around for my reference. I need to add some new, I need to quickly add or configure this. This has never worked, so I'll delete it. Monitor. All right, at some point my scenes got screwed up. Okay, well that works. Let's publish this. Change. All right, yeah. So y'all should be able to see my vertical monitor now. All right. And let's switch these. Weird. Really weird. Okay. Yeah. So I'm going to duplicate this tab. All right, my audio went out again. It's really annoying. All right, so I've duplicated that tab. The reason why is that I need to do some code search to see if we have a log level anywhere defined. Or I'm sorry, if we have a log level defined anywhere. I would assume it would be capital log level if it's following the naming convention. All right, we have something that seems like it's what we want. Oh, here we are. It's an integer, so that are these enums? I assume so. I don't see the enum definition in it. Oh wait, is this it? No. Yeah, I don't see it anywhere. The definition. Oh, here it is. Yeah, so they are numbers. Okay, so then it looks like this is the value that I would set it to. The question is this a function or is this something that I set? Wait, I just realized that I'm in preview mode. What do y'all see? Get out of preview mode. All right. Here are my things. There we are. Alright. Trying to figure out how to get my camera up. Stream Deck it's just not doing the things. Here's what I'm confused. Is it this? Is it basically this? Well, it's a number, technically. Or is it a function? It's a function here, but you set it here because we have properties in Kotlin. Java doesn't have it doesn't have this notion of a property. So you have to define functions that are called getters and setters. It's kind of silly, if you ask me. Objective-C, we're setting it. I don't know if it's a property, but like we can just set it on the instance. Swift is a function call. So Unity, I don't know because it could be either. If I were doing this, I would make this like this. It would be a property because we have properties in C#. So I'm just going to assume that this is a property for now. And I can pull, oops, I've just realized you don't even see what the hell I'm talking about. You come to this other screen. All right, so should be able to see my screen now. So I was talking about this. So what I'm confused by is whether or not I call it this way or if I call it like this, setting it as a property. The reason why I'm confused is because here we're setting it using the function, which makes sense. It's Java, there's no properties. Kotlin, I believe, has properties, so we're just setting it equal to the thing. Objective-C, same kind of deal. Like we have a function that we're calling, and then Swift function, Unity, could be either. If I were doing it, I would probably do it as a property. So that's what I'm doing. Log level dot. I have no idea what the levels are. Thought I saw them somewhere, but maybe I didn't. I'm going to assume that the log levels are the same. So none, fatal, that kind of thing. Looking at the names back over here on my side screen. That's not, no, I'm sorry, my vertical monitor, my bad, shit. Yeah, so over here on my vertical monitor, I noticed that the names are what I would call just, I don't know, title case, I guess. So I'm gonna just make an educated guess here and say that this is something like .info with a capital I. And I should be able to take these verbatim. Sorry, audio went away again. And I also realized that you couldn't see what I was doing. So anyway, here's what I've done. We're gonna use info like that. And I took this comment and we're gonna place it here because I think it's the same. And because I did all of the hard work of figuring out how this works, I know how this works because this also takes a log level. Okay, this is mobile. Okay. I was like, wait, I'm so confused. Good. Oh, this is this is Windows. Sure, I'll let it happen. So let's go to this page, see how we're looking. There's not any words here yet, but eventually there will be words. I'm going to change all of these to API. So if someone comes to Unity, it's going to look like this. I mean, the idea is that this is a cross-platform thing. Obviously, there will be some words. They can go to the relevant section, which I also need. Okay, I need to update snippets for Unity. All of these. Have a tool that does this somewhere. Maybe this won't. Oh no, here we are. All right, so it uses JSON path. I don't know if I know what that is. Okay, slightly different from JQ, but, or is this just like JQ? No, this is slightly different. Okay, fine. We'll see how this works. So if I do $sign dot, if I do $0, nothing. Okay. $sign dot 0. What do I get? Okay. just open it. URI. Do I even see that? No, I don't. That's removing too much. This is weird to me. Can I just do dot? Open API. No, I can't just do that. Oh man, why can't I just use JQ? I should learn this though. I've seen JSON path and other things, so that's why I'm gonna give it the effort. Have components. It'll also help if I know what I'm looking at. So we have components. We have the schemas. That may be the thing that I want. I may only care about schemas. Yeah, I think that's right. So schemas is top level thing. Schemas. No, it didn't do anything. Audio failed again. I was just saying that. Oh wait, no, I just lost it. So I did a little bit of text processing just to figure out just the information that I needed, which is here, this little bit here, and the hell is that? Why is it copying? I need to turn that off. It's really annoying. Copy to pasteboard on collection. Yes. No, please no. All right. All right. Audio is just, I don't know. Oops. Not to hear. Now I get to, oh my gosh, this is so annoying. It just jacked up my history. Not gonna load. I'll load it here. Yeah, man, oh my gosh. Like, maybe I had to restart iTerm. Let's quit iTerm. Let's see what happens if I double click it. Nothing. All right, good. Oh, wait, no, something did something. What the fuck? Just clicking does that. How? Click moves cursor. Okay. Click mouse moves cursor. No. Open, control, open reported tabs. Okay, 3-finger tap emulates middle click. Focus follows mouse. Nah, that will nah. That will get me in trouble. So let's see if it's still doing the thing. All right, screw it. I can't fix that. Did it screw up my history that bad? See, it had the word Gron in it. Yeah, it really did screw up my history that bad. Just copy. Random. Do that. All right, we get 30. not sure. It was stable for so long, and now all of a sudden it's just failing. I was just saying that I just realized that these were not even supposed to get returned. It's summary arg count when I just wanted summary. That's why this all looks weird. Did I just put my computer in insert mode? Okay. There are only 22 functions here. Oh, it's just different from what we already have, though. I'm not gonna see what we have. Dang it. All right, just trying to see how that gets copied. Why didn't that? Okay, I guess that's not selected. This is an external user ID. Where's that coming from? Oh, edits. Okay, got it. You can delete that. All right, so then, oops. So yeah, we'll delete that, come to the end, delete that, then that. I think that gets us what I want. wonder if I can just do that. Nope. I have to do this because I'm about to throw this into a diff. Literally just forgot what I just forgot what I named it. It's really annoying right now. It's starting to fail every few minutes. All right. Hopefully, this will have just fixed something. I don't know. Probably won't. Nope. This may be a sign that it's time to go. At this point, anytime I type, it fails. Yeah, so it's gonna go away again.